Hello, welcome to our YouTube video. Now this is my first time making a video, so please be aware that I may be shit the shit. Alright, now today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a Titleraw. I'll be teaching you guys how it works and shit like that. So let's start off with this example, right? This lovely scoreboard you see at the bottom here. This here I made for a server for my friend. My friend had a server, I made it for him. Now, I'm going to use this as an example for you guys. This here is a slightly more complex variant. This uses translate as well as a Titleraw. Now, the thing with translates are they think of them as a another Titleraw, like multiple Titleraws in one, like multiple texts. So that's how the animation here works. This is how you animate shit. Now you can use this for menu GUIs, animations, for scoreboards, etc. All works fine. Now I will be disabling these. And yes, this is all the command blocks I took. Even the ranks work. I'll just quickly show that. As you can see, VIP, admin, hi admin, coder, and then owner. As you can see, none of these command blocks do that. The only thing they do is rank 0, test if the rank is 0, then gives a rank number, and resets it if it gets to a certain point. That's literally all this does. As you can see, nothing is given the rank. Nothing makes the rank. It's in this command block here, as you can tell by the ranks, and then the translate over here. But anyway, that's beside the point. I'll be teaching you in this video the basic Titleraw. We'll move on to the other stuff in another video. Please don't mind me, by the way. Literally do not make videos, but yeah. We're gonna start off with an execute as A. So pretty much what this does is it executes as the player, not like the player specifically for this command. So run Titleraw at S action bar. S meaning at self, at A meaning all. And this will pretty much make it so it shows at the bottom of the screen. Now we're gonna do raw text. Let's fucking quotation, colon, whatever this is called, bracket, semi-bracket, whatever the fuck you wanna call that shit. I don't know that shit, alright. Raw text, no, text, test. Just gonna see if this works. Wait, look at that, it does. Now, I'll stay on this for a bit so you can see if you need help on this. Okay, control players. I know you'll be taking some time to type a line. Alright, jokes aside. Now, here's a nice little thing about this shit, right? Let's go with money, right? Now, as you can see, I obviously break it, right? As you can see, I broke it. That's because I didn't close it. Pawn step, make sure you close it by doing these three here at the end of it. That closes it and makes it work. Now you may see we currently have no money, like it saves money, but we don't have a currency. Like, watch. Nothing. That is because it's currently not, it's just a text. We need to make a function, right? So you want to do score, oh fuck's sakes, my English. Name, star, quotation, and objective. Money, or whatever you called your objective. 2 of those, and then close that. Now, once we close that, you can see we got money now, we've got currency. The reason why is because this is checking for an objective called money. Now, if your objective is called M, you do M. Mine's called money, so I'll do money. But do whatever it's called specifically. So let's say you've got colors. If I remember the goddamn thing for it, I do not remember the thing for the quotation. So ah well, sucks be y'all. But if you do color coded in it, you're gonna have to do color coded. But yeah, but that's about it there. Now, instead of closing it, let's say you want another line, right? Because here, you see we've just closed it there, right? We've closed it. No longer exists. It's finished. Now, if you don't do this, you can continue on. As well as keeping that, because what this does is it closes the objective. So it closes this part off, which makes this attached with that. I'm gonna make a let's do name, shall we? And text name. Once again. Oh no, do you see that problem there? It's now just next to it. We don't want that. No, no, no. So what you want to do is backslash n. What that does is it means one down. You can see there, it's now got one down there. And yeah. So let's do brackets, whatever you want to call them, quotation, selector at s. What this does is it gets the name of the player of themselves. So this is what they see. As you can see, it'll say Albinism for me. Let's say there's someone called Bill Gates over there, it'll be called Bill Gates, alright? Now I'm only going to teach you the basics for this video. So please do keep in mind this is my first video, don't be talking shit, I know what you guys are like. Joking. But yeah. Now normally you're going to need scoreboards, right? Like for example, scoreboard players add at a money 0. What this does makes it so let's scoreboard players reset at s. You'll see nothing shows up. Turn this on, it'll show the number 0 now, so we're leaving it empty. Now that's optional, I like it like that. You don't have to if you don't wanna. No one's gonna judge. I mean I might, but yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much everything really. I'll be teaching this one next video. It's slightly more complex, but yes. If you need any help with anything, just type it in the comments. I'll comment with the command. If you have any problems with this video, let me know, and I'll try and adjust it for the next video. Thank you, and have a good day. Peace. Cringe that was.